Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is our YouTube channel here. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, do so, because we release content that is gonna help you on how to make money online. We release content on how to market your services. We release content on how if you are running ads, we help with tactics, and we also release motivational talks, because people can have money, people can have ways to make money, but they find that they are still lazy, so they need that someone to tell them that, hey, you can do it. People who are down, they need that voice that say, hey, you know what, it's not the end of the world. So please subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, we try to be as consistent as possible by releasing a video once a week, or one video in 2 weeks, but then a month does not go by without us releasing a video. Otherwise, let us go to the video of the day. Today I would like us to go to this platform called Admarula. So Admarula is a platform for affiliates. So it's where you get affiliates, just like if you at ClickBank, JVZoo, DigiStore24. This is one of those platforms that not a lot of people know about, and they pay a lot of money. And I have made money on these platforms, because on this platform, unlike ClickBank and JVZoo, sometimes, and please hear me clearly, sometimes, not always, sometimes you get offers, CPC offers. People will pay you pay you for clicks, not for lead, but for clicks. That's how amazing this platform is. So the first offer that I've started promoting on this platform was a CPC, actually, so from Finland. So the client was looking for people from Finland to click on his URL on his landing page. Simple as that. And that's how you make money. So if you haven't if you are new to this a platform, of course, so you're gonna sign up here as a publisher, gonna put in your email and put in your password. Because I've already signed up, I have here my details. I'm just gonna log in into the platform so that I can show you the dashboard and show you how friendly it is. As you can see here, this month I've been very scarce because of some issues, but then you see this 4 clicks here. This is something that I have promoted like a long time ago. So as you can see here, it shows you last 7 days. This is the dashboard, the overview. As soon as you log in, it shows you on the cash flow. It's gonna show you how much you're spending. I've made my money here in euros, because so far euro is the strongest currency. So made my money in euro, and here it shows how much money it has been invoiced, and it shows how much money it has been paid in, and it shows here total invoice. Now I want you to know this is not the only money that I made so far. Once you withdraw, or once they pay you, that amount no longer show here. So this amount is here because it means they haven't paid me yet. And the minimum threshold on this platform, last time I checked, it is 50 euros. If it's in dollars, it is 50 euros, does not matter, but then it has to be at 15. All right, cool. And here you can filter by 91 days up to 91 days. As you can see, these are the number of leads that I've delivered in the last 90 days on this platform, and these are the number of clicks that I've delivered on this platform, offers from this platform in the last 90 days, and this is the amount that I've made. So it means if you see this small amount, it means the CPL rate was very, very, very low. And it can also filter by the last 28 days. I'm sure I had nothing. Yes, yeah, I knew it, because I've stopped promoting because of recently there are no offers that I know they are matching my audience. And this, I think, is very important, guys. Don't just take any offer, take something that matches your audience, especially when you have a website, because you don't want to lose your audience just because you are after money. seek value, seek to provide value to your audience. Don't just want to cash out, because you will never make money if you are going with that thing of wanting just to make money, but then want to provide value into someone else's life. That's why I can't take something that is of let's just say a sport thing and present it to a nurse who is not even interested in the things of sport. So first thing first, know your audience. Once you know your audience, you can come here to offers. There are a lot of offers, there are a lot of offers you can choose here. As you can see here, my default thing I filtered by South Africa, because a lot of my audience is from South Africa. But then you can clear this up if you want to get worldwide offers, and it will show you, it will show you there are a lot of offers you see here. This is one of the platforms that I know that they pay. This is one of the platforms that have a higher CPL rate, not CPA but CPL rate. They pay up to 50 euros per lead, just getting someone signing up on a website with their banking details or their emails. You can see here, okay, this is 42 euro per sale. Let me do this and filter only by leads, and you will see a lot of offers. You'll see a lot of offers here. Most of them I've noticed they are from Finland. So if you are an affiliate marketer, I recommend that you come up here and sign up. And you see here, this is 80 USD per lead. So if it will also show you the targeting so here you can see they are looking for people in UK and India, if not mistaken, they are looking for, I don't know, where's an email or a number, but you can always get the details here on the eye. It will show you what they are really tracking here. So this platform is very informative. So it shows you here, it also explains what is a lead, so that you don't just go out there and promoting this without information. So after you think that you can promote a certain offer, click on the eye and see what the client is looking for, because at the end of the day, client does not want only clicks, but then they want lead. They want something that they can follow up to. This is a survey site. You see, it's one of those easy leads where you can just direct users, and then once people they put in their email, and as you can see, it's targeting UK. And whenever people they sign up, you will be paid 190, so 1.96 pounds. That is amazing. That is so amazing. So quickly, let me go to my reports and show you how much I've made on this platform, because this, I didn't just see this from someone else, but then I've made money from this platform. I'm just gonna filter by this year so far, because I've started using this platform, I think it was either from February or January, somewhere there, I don't remember, but I was not that active until I started seeing that it actually works. So I'm gonna show you something, how much I've made so far. So this is how much I've made so far, 118 euros, and this are the name of the offers. When you see this, it means that it has been approved. So in the other ways, you can deliver a lead, but then you find that it's a bad lead. In that case, that bad lead will be found under declined or failed. And I also I delivered some declined leads, some bad leads. We all get that, everyone get that, big companies get that, So it will depend on what client is looking for, but then there are a lot of offers. So you see how I would have made, if this leads were legit, I would have made over 1,000 euros. So but because this were bad leads, and let me tell you why. With this offer, I remember there were bad leads because client was targeting Finland audience. So by mistake I targeted worldwide, and yeah, this was one of the mistakes that I made. But then I learned from it, and then I started targeting only Finland. So if you are not following rules on what clients needs and wants, they're not gonna pay you. So I advise you that read carefully in the offer info what client is looking for and deliver with what you can. And after you do that, you're gonna get paid, because I have been paid. And I'm just gonna show you and prove it to you that this platform really pays. Let me check. Click on approved paid out. So approved paid out, it shows the amount that was paid out here. Just filter here, should show some data. You see, so this is how much I've been paid out so far. Alright guys, that's it. So the name of the platform is @Marula. I advise you that you go sign up on this platform and start making money, because it is as easy as that. Making money is not that difficult. It's all about going out there, making the means. If you are an affiliate marketer, then this is for you. If you can sell something to your friend, then this is for you. Just that things have moved online right now, so go sign up as a publisher and start promoting those offers and start making money. Alright guys, that's it. If you have liked this video, please like it and subscribe if you have not subscribed. I'm gonna leave the link to the sign up on the description, and I hope to see you on the next video. Ciao.